Welcome to the course content. Unlock the power of data with Kickstart's comprehensive data science program. Our curriculum covers everything from the real-world case studies designed to build your expertise and confidence in handling complex data sets. Master the complete data science toolbox. Impress interviewers with your deep understanding of the field through our comprehensive course. Learn data pre-processing, master Python for statistics, and understand the crucial mathematics behind machine learning. Master Python to perform linear and logistic regressions, cluster and factor analysis, and create algorithms using NumPy, stats models, and scikit-learn. Apply your skills to real-life business scenarios, develop intuition while coding with big data, and use TensorFlow to harness the capabilities of deep neural networks in state-of-the-art deep learning. Enhance machine learning algorithms by exploring underfitting, overfitting, cross-validation, testing, and hyperparameter tuning for optimized performance. Explore job opportunities as a data analyst, data scientist, or database administrator with skills in data analysis and management. Are you ready to become a data science expert? Visit www.kickstart.co.in to enroll today and begin your journey towards mastering the science of data.